The Accurex fire-ready hood system provides safety in seconds. Created to protect residential ranges with interlocked controls and a full flood fire suppression system, the fire-ready hood system was designed for those commercial or residential buildings performing non-commercial cooking. With its low-profile design blending into your kitchen, the fire-ready hood stands out when it comes to protection, with a fully integrated, electronic detection-based fire suppression system, as well as a full-color touchscreen and bright LED lights. Provided with an easy-to-install electric or gas range shutoff, the hood can cut power to your appliance in the event of a fire. The hinged mounting provides easy access for servicing the integrated fire suppression system, intuitive controls, or one of the many fan options. Accurex engineers simplicity, with plug-and-play controls, easy installation, and configurable fan options. The fire-ready hood offers commercial-level protection with a focus on life safety.